can't fall to sleep. My mind just keeps me up. I would wait for you.
What's up, welcome back to my channel. I'm Divyanshi, and so for today's video, as you have read the title, it's a very trending video. It's photoshoot ideas plus, self-portraits, something like that. Yeah, and guys, these ideas are so common and so like that, so I'm just trying them. Yeah, and if these ideas will help you, then great. So guys, I'm very excited, so without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, the very first idea is to put a white backdrop or any white or black backdrop in the background, and you have to stick it with shallow tape on your wall, and then you have to click some classy or funny pictures. Here how my pictures turned out. So guys, for the second idea, you will need some fruits like banana and orange or mango, and whatever fruit you can choose, and you just simply pose with them and you click pictures. Like, yeah, let's see. Guys, for the third idea, I have my newspaper background, which is just so trending right now. It's not even my idea, like, it's so trending, guys. I love the idea. So what you have to do is you have to stick some newspaper on the wall, and then you have to just click some pictures. So let's see. So guys, for the fourth idea, I have the golden hour. Oh my god, I personally think that golden hour is the best place you can click your pictures. Yes, I love it. So let's see the pictures. So in this, what you have to do, you will need a television. So guys, I have my Android TV, so what I did, I connected it, I screen mirrored it, and I just put some aesthetic backgrounds in it, and then I clicked some pictures. So let's see them. So guys, for the sixth idea, I have wear a very dramatic makeup, and then you can just click pictures anywhere. Yeah, this was an idea I thought would be very nice during lockdown. So what you have to do, you have to just wear, like, do your makeup. So I thought, why not to do something like, flamey eye thing on my eyes. And if you want the tutorial, it's on my Instagram, the link will be in the description, you can check it out. So how I did the flame thing. So let's see the pictures. Last but not the least idea, I am using a CD. I saw this idea on TikTok actually, and in which what you have to do, you have to take a CD and then you have to click up some pictures. So let's see the pictures. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh my god, I'm doing an outro after so long. Yeah. And guys, thank you so much for 4K subscribers. I am so grateful. I cannot even explain, guys. Special video is on the way. I am still editing it. After completing this video, I'm gonna edit it as well, but I don't want to take a very big gap, so that's why I'm posting, and continuously I'm posting only. Yes guys, so I hope you liked it. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share to my channel, and also let me know if you want a part 2 of it. I have more pictures with me, so I can do a part 2 as well, and I have some more ideas which you might don't know. So comment down below if you want part 2, and also follow me on my Instagram. It would means a lot. Yeah, if I will hit 2K in 2020. So yeah.